In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text color on the Godaddy website builder in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to highlight certain parts of your content, make your call to action stand out, or simply add a bit of personality to your site, changing the text color is a simple yet effective way to enhance your website's aesthetic and usability. So let's dive in and give your website a fresh, colorful update. First things first, you'll need to access your Godaddy account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Godaddy website. Once you're there, look for the sign in button, which is usually located in the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. You'll then be prompted to enter your username and password. Type these credentials carefully into the respective fields. Remember, your username might be an email address or another identifier you've set up with Godaddy. If you have any trouble remembering your password, don't worry. There's a password recovery option right there to help you out. After entering your details, go ahead and click on the sign in button to access your account. Once you're signed in successfully, you'll need to navigate to your website's dashboard. Look for a section or a menu labeled website or similar. This is where all your website management tools are located. Clicking on it will take you to a page where you can see all the websites associated with your account. Now, find the website you wish to edit and click on the Edit Website or a similarly labeled button. This action will launch the Godaddy website builder, where you can make several changes to your site, including text color changes. To change the color of a particular piece of text, you'll need to navigate to the page where the text is located. Use the website builder's navigation menu to go to the specific page you're interested in editing. Once you're on the correct page, it's time to locate the text you want to modify. Once you've found the text, click on it to reveal the text editing toolbar. This is where you can make various changes to your text, like altering font style, size, and of course, color. To proceed with changing the color, you'll need to highlight the specific portion of text you wish to change. Simply click and drag your mouse over the text until it's entirely highlighted. After your text is highlighted, look for the color palette icon in the text editing toolbar. This icon usually resembles a small droplet or a paint palette. Clicking on this icon will open a color selection tool. Here you'll see an array of color choices. This tool may present you with a variety of preset colors or offer you the option to enter a specific color code if you have one. This feature is particularly useful if you're trying to maintain a consistent color scheme across your website. Now it's time to choose your new text color. Browse through the available colors until you find one that suits your needs. Consider the visibility of the text against its background and try to select a color that aligns with your website's overall design and messaging. When you've decided on a color, simply click on it to apply it to your highlighted text. The change should take effect immediately, giving you a live preview of how the new color looks on your website. It's always a good idea to review your selection in the context of the entire page to ensure it achieves the desired impact. Feel free to experiment with different colors until you're satisfied with the result. Remember, the goal is to enhance your website's readability and aesthetic appeal, so take your time to choose wisely. Once you're happy with the new color of your text, don't forget to save your changes. Look for a Save or Publish button in the website builder. Clicking this will update your website with all the edits you've made, including the text color change. After saving, it's good practice to view your live website to ensure everything looks exactly as expected. And there you have it, you've successfully changed the text color on your Godaddy website. This simple change can make a significant difference in how visitors perceive your site. A well thought out color scheme can make your content pop, draw attention to key messages, and contribute to your brand's visual identity. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. Here's to making your website not only functional, but also visually appealing.